paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make a unicorn puppet today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an A4 size paper. You can also use an origami paper. Well, if you have an A4 size paper, all you have to do is fold it into a triangle first. And then the rectangle which you see right here, you have to cut it. So, let's start cutting on this line. This is great! Now, it's time for us to fold this square just like this. And after that, why don't we fold it into a smaller square? Once we are done with this, we will open it and get the sides to the center. Let's do this with all the 4 sides. Now, let's turn the paper and repeat the same steps again. Get the sides to the center. Let's do it for all the 4 sides and then flip the paper once again. We get 4 squares. And now, when we put our finger inside, we get a nice chip chop. Well, now it's time for us to start making the mouth of the unicorn. For this, we are going to make an oval and then we will open it and start coloring it. You can use your sketch pen as well as your crayons. Let's make 4 curves at the corner and start coloring it with a darker pink color. Let's complete coloring the entire thing. Yes, we can do it for all the 4 sides. Well, it looks like the mouth, isn't it? Now, it's time for us to make the nose. And here it is. Now, why don't we make the eyes? Yes, let's make it on the top side of the nose. Now, let's take another piece of paper and start making the ears. Well, we will make 2 such shapes and then cut it. Once this is done, we will stick this. Just put a little glue below and stick it right on top. Looks great. Now, it's time for us to make the horn. Well, a unicorn has a beautiful horn, isn't it? Let's color it with yellow color. And then give it a beautiful outline. Once we are done with that, let's cut it. Now, let's stick it right here, which is on the forehead. Well, yes. This looks beautiful. Now we will stick this part. Now it's time for us to make the legs. Let's make the hoofs first. and then we will cut it into a rectangle. Let's stick this properly. And well, the final part is making its beautiful tail. Let's make it with different colors. And we are done with the tail. Now, why don't we start cutting it? And well, it's time for us to stick it like this. Let's stick it with our glue. And finally, our unicorn puppet is ready to talk. Lovely!
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.